Our arteries serve a very important function because they are the blood vessels that carry oxygenated blood from the heart to the rest of the body. However, sometimes our diet and lifestyle choices can cause arteries to become blocked, increasing the risk of a heart attack or stroke. In addition, there's one important molecule that many people lack when it comes to arterial blood flow, and it's called nitric oxide. Nitric oxide is a natural vasodilator that facilitates blood flow through the arteries to allow for the delivery of oxygen to the body's major organs and tissues. The good news is that there are some foods that can naturally increase nitric oxide levels and work to clear your arteries and maintain oxygenated blood flowing, as it should, to all the body's cells. That's exactly what we're going to talk about in this video. If you're ready, let's get started. Now, just a quick reminder, we are not doctors. This video is for educational purposes only. Studies have shown that people who frequently consume green tea have a healthy cardiovascular system than people who don't. Green tea is rich in polyphenols, which scientists believe to have several health benefits, including those for your heart and blood vessels. Due to its ability to enhance blood flow, one study found that green tea drinkers were 20% less likely to develop heart disease, have a stroke, and were 22% less likely to die from heart-related diseases. Beets are another nutritious superfood that's known to increase nitric oxide levels. Consuming nitrates has been linked by experts to a decreased chance of dying from heart-related issues. Unfortunately, beets are rich in nitrates, which accounts for their popularity amongst competitive athletes worldwide. When you eat beets, your body converts their components into nitric oxide, which helps the arteries open so that oxygenated blood can flow more freely. However, when your blood vessels become inflamed, this can result in a reduction in the amount of nitric oxide that your body produces. Next, we need to discuss turmeric, a bright yellow spice that's frequently used in Indian cuisine. It wasn't until recently that medical professionals learned about its beneficial health effects. Antioxidants found in turmeric inhibit the buildup of fatty deposits in your arteries, and it also has anti-inflammatory effects that stop the arteries from hardening over time. Walnuts are the next item on our list, since, in general, once you consume a meal with a lot of fat, your arteries go into shock, which, over time, stiffens and increases the strain on their heart. In general, you should try to minimize your consumption of saturated fat, but you can consider adding walnuts to your diet to help offset some of the harmful effects. One study discovered that if you consume walnuts along with a meal that's rich in fat, the consequences are considerably less severe. We must also inform you of the advantages of cinnamon, because it has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant characteristics that lower both blood pressure and cholesterol. 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of flaxseed, and 1 teaspoon of LDL cholesterol can all help lower blood sugar, triglycerides, and LDL cholesterol levels, which can improve blood flow and keep your arteries and circulatory system healthy. Fish is another healthy food that we need to talk about because it is full of omega-3 fatty acids. Fish is another popular superfood because it offers several health benefits for the human body. Fish is great for your arteries because its components work to lower cholesterol levels, which can lower blood pressure and decrease the likelihood of a blood clot forming. Studies have shown that the components of omega-3s work to reduce the manifestation of cellular adhesion, which can reduce plaque buildup in the arteries, which strengthens blood flow and lowers your risk of developing other heart-related issues. Ginger is another superfood that can help increase blood flow. Throughout the world, ginger, a flowering plant, is used both for culinary and medical uses. It's been used to relieve nausea, aid in weight reduction, heal chronic indigestion, and combat infections. Most people are unaware that ginger can also help the cardiovascular system because it contains bioactive substances and antioxidants that lessen oxidative damage brought on by stress. It has been demonstrated to lower cholesterol levels, which is associated with a lower risk of heart disease. And studies have found that it can drop blood sugar levels, which reduces heart disease risk factors in people with type 2 diabetes. Beans are the next food on our list. In addition to working to reduce plaque development, beans, like the other foods we've described, are high in fiber. Several studies have also demonstrated that eating beans helps lower levels of harmful cholesterol in the body. Now, we couldn't have made this video without mentioning garlic. Not to mention that they have also been shown to lower blood pressure levels, which is great for strengthening blood flow in your arteries throughout your entire body. Unfortunately, heart disease is one of the leading causes of death in the world, and high blood pressure is one of the main risk factors that causes these types of cardiovascular impairments. Garlic's ingredients, however, according to studies, can lower blood pressure levels. Garlic has also been demonstrated to lower blood cholesterol levels when taken regularly for up to 6 months, which lowers the risk factors for cardiovascular illnesses. Citrus fruit is the next item on our list. Citrus fruit is not only delicious, but it also contains vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that may benefit the cardiovascular system. One of the main components that I need to mention is flavonoids, because they lower cholesterol and reduce inflammation and free radicals in the blood. This is probably why eating citrus fruits is associated with a lower risk of stroke and other heart problems. The next item on our list frequently shocks people: cayenne pepper. That's right. Most people are unaware of the incredible health benefits that cayenne pepper offers. One component that we need to highlight is capsaicin. It's known for having vasodilator effects that can lower blood pressure levels. And some researchers think that it also lowers levels of LDL cholesterol, the bad type of cholesterol that's known for causing blockages in the arteries. One of my personal favorites is none other than dark chocolate. Surprisingly, studies have shown that the flavonoids in cocoa can increase nitric oxide levels, as we've discussed throughout this video. This can strengthen arterial blood flow, promote heart health, and protect the cells in your body from oxidative damage. Not to mention the properties found in dark chocolate. Just a short request, guys. Please click the like button. It greatly helps fund the channel, and it makes me incredibly grateful. Also, while you're there, click subscribe, because we have a ton of other movies on our channel that I think you'll like. By seeing this video, you now know some of the healthiest foods that you can consider including in your diet to be safe. Nitric oxide is a vital chemical that's involved in many areas of health, including the regulation of blood pressure and flow. As they will be better knowledgeable about your specific issue, your doctor should be consulted for specific medical advice and treatment. And thank you for watching this video all the way through. And again, we're not physicians. Have a great day, and as always, breathe easy, my friends.